Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and since I posted a little bit of an update of the future of Windows yesterday, I had quite a lot of people send me the same question. So is Windows 10 version 2004 finished or not? And it's feature complete. That means that it's technically finished, and that what you have, if you have it on your machine, is what you'll get in April. Minus, there's going to be some cumulative updates from now till then. So that means that technically, yes, if you would like to be on 2004 or the next version of Windows, which we don't have a name yet, but something like probably the April 2020 update, you can actually go and get it. And what you need to do is go down to your settings and go into the update and security and go into the Windows Insider program on the bottom left, and here you will actually get started. Follow the instructions. You need a Microsoft account, and from there you will be moving on to the slow ring, and be very careful what you choose. If you want it right now, you've got to choose slow ring. And as soon as that will happen, you will see that a build 19041 will show up in your Windows updates. So that's the way you can actually get it right now if you really want to have that build. Now, the reasons why I don't recommend this, and the reasons why, unless you're a tech enthusiast and want to really see in advance a little more, you shouldn't get this, because it's technically going to have bug fixes and so on, and you never know what could happen. I don't recommend it also because it has so few features, so few new features, that basically you're moving ahead with not a lot to see. And, it's not an official build that is released, so it is not impossible that your machine might have a problem with it or bugs, because it might have a showstopper. When we have new versions of Windows, what happens is that some of you don't see it sometimes, and you're wondering why. Well, it's very simple. The reasons why you don't see it is that very often there's something that prevents you from getting it because of a bug or a problem or a driver. Well, that will not work. You will still see it, even if there would be a problem when you actually are on the insider builds. So lots of little things that I just want to say that you should hold on to this, and it will arrive someday, and we know that it's probably going to be in April of this year. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.